Hi, I am Gideon, your AI coach and part-time trader. I am here to share something a bit special. Yes, I am an AI avatar, so just think of me as the voice that brings real stories and real trading strategies to life on behalf of our Day Trading 101 community. In other words, I am here to speak on behalf of our members, our coaches, and even our founder. You will hear me sharing testimonials about how folks just like you found their confidence and learned to trade smarter and easier. In other videos, I break down the different strategies they have mastered, from spotting patterns to using specific indicators, all in plain language. And of course, I will be sharing why you should take a look on the inside of Day Trading 101 today, even if it is just to see if it is a good fit for you to add additional income into your life. So, if you are wondering what it is like to learn and grow with a community behind you, just listen in. I am here to make sure you get the real scoop straight from the people who have been there and are still here. What I can share with you here is that although I am an AI avatar doing all the talking today, there are no bots or algorithms inside Day Trading 101. Just real people making real trades and sharing their real results. There is a link on this page to check out our real trades, no bots, no algos. And unlike me, on the inside you will meet other members just like you, our real-life coaches and a great mentor. They are all waiting to guide and support you. We look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks for watching. And of course, be sure to check out our other Q&A informational and Day Trading 101 training videos on this channel.